In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change maintenance image on Shopify, step-by-step guide. If your store is locked behind a password while you get things ready, visitors see a maintenance or coming soon page. Updating that hero image is a simple way to keep your branding consistent and make a strong first impression even before launch. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, open Online Store. This takes you to your Themes area. On your current theme, click Edit Theme to open the theme editor. You'll see a live preview on the right and your sections and settings on the left. By default, the editor usually opens on the home page. We're not changing the home page today. We want the password or maintenance page. Use the page selector at the top of the editor and switch from home page to password. When the password template loads in the preview, you'll see the sections specific to that page appear in the left sidebar. Find the section labeled Hero and click it. This is where the large background or banner image for your maintenance page lives. In the Hero settings, look for the image field and click it to open your media picker. This is where you can choose the visual your visitors will see while the store is locked. From the media library, select the image you want to use, then click Select to confirm. If you prefer, you can upload a new file here as well, but make sure it's high quality and optimized for web so your page loads quickly. A landscape image at around 1920 by 1080 pixels is a reliable starting point. Back in the editor, you'll often see a control to adjust the focal point or crop of the image. Use this to highlight the most important part of your visual so it stays centered across devices. Keep any text or key subject away from the extreme edges to avoid it being cut off on mobile. When the image looks right in the preview, click Done to close the media view. Take a quick glance at the desktop and mobile previews in the editor to ensure everything feels balanced and readable. Finally, click Save in the top right corner to publish your change to the maintenance page. That's it. You've updated the maintenance hero image, and anyone visiting your password-protected storefront will now see your refreshed branding. Pro tip: keep file sizes small with formats like JPG or WebP, and use consistent colors or overlays so your logo and text remain legible.